Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Look at this sign. It says Trans Jamaica Highway. They are the company that collects a toll on these roads. Now, it was announced recently that the toll on this section of the road, Maypen to Williamsfield, there will be no toll collected until July 2024. While that is great, and I'm sure everybody's enjoying the free toll, I know I am, let's look at why they're not collecting the toll. Now you see Trans Jamaica Highway put up their sign on the road, yet they don't own the road. I have no idea what they are proposing, but let's go through the history of this now. This road goes from Kingston to Williamsfield now. The Kingston to Maypen leg was built by a company, and they were given the right to collect toll on the road to pay back for the building of the road. They were given a concession. Trans Jamaica Highway now has that concession. They have the concession, so they collect toll from Kingston to Maypen. Now the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of the road was built by the Jamaican government. They spent 188 million US to build this road. This is the road we're on. But Trans Jamaica Highway has a concession to collect toll on the entire stretch of the road from Kingston to Montego Bay, even the sections not built yet. So now the government through NROC is in negotiations with Trans Jamaica Highway. So basically, NROC wants Trans Jamaica Highway to pay for the building of the road and then collect the toll to pay back for the cost that they incurred. But they don't want to do that. So that's why no toll is being collected. So now you would say, okay, let the Jamaican government collect the toll to pay back for the building of the road because they spent the money. But Trans Jamaica Highway has the concession. They have to give it up. They have first right of refusal. So basically, they have the right to collect the toll on this entire road from Kingston to Montego Bay. Now, why doesn't the government just change the contract or the law or something and just get rid of them? Don't know. They're still in negotiations, and the negotiations are not going well because this road was finished from September last year. It was opened and no toll has been collected. They keep extending the deadline, and the people have the audacity to put up the sign on the road, and they don't own the road. I don't know. So basically that's why no toll is being collected. They are in negotiations, but the road is here and everybody's enjoying it, and I have no idea what Trans Jamaica Highway is proposing, but NROC wants them to buy the road or pay for the building of the road, collect the toll for a period of 30 years, after which the road will belong to the Jamaican government. Alright guys, we will definitely keep you updated on this one, but the latest is no toll until July 1, 2024. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.